We're here in the lab and we've sampled microbes from your item. We filter it so we can separate by sizes, and now we're going to extract DNA from the cells. So the first step of extracting DNA is to break the cells open.
We use beads and a soapy solution to mechanically rupture cell walls and membranes to pop open cells. This is exactly what happens to fruit in a blender.
So now that we've broken apart the cells, there's a lot of junk in the cell. What we're interested in is the nucleic acids. First thing to do is to get rid of all of that junk. The nucleic acids are really small, so we're going to do another type of filtration. So we have separated a lot of the really big and chunky cell debris out, and we're just going to get rid of that. And we're going to keep all this liquid. But you know what's crazy? The DNA is clear. This is still not clear. So we still have to go through a bunch of processes in order to get that.